What's up, guys? 色が入った言葉を使いこなしてあなたの日本語をレベルアップしましょう。Let's master words related to color and progress your Japanese to the next level. The word I'm going to introduce to you today are commonly used words. These words will enrich your Japanese expression and progress your Japanese to the next level. The color we will use today are 赤 red, 黄色 yellow, 青 blue, 黒 black, 白 white, 銀 silver. I made this video into a quiz format. First, I will show you a set of Japanese sentences with blanks in them. One of these 6 colors will fill in all blanks in the set. The same color for all sentences. Please guess what color is used for that set. English translation will also be displayed, so please use them as a hint. Are you ready? Let's start. あなたはの他人です。You are a total stranger or complete stranger. 彼が言ったことはな嘘でした。What he said was a blatant lie. 嘘がバレてパジを書きました。I was super embarrassed because they find out that I lied. 語の手をひねるより簡単です。It's really easy to do for me. It is used when difference in power is very large, and you can do this as easily as twisting the baby's hand. Did you guess the color? The answer is red. あなたは赤の他人です。Why do we use red here? There are 2 theories. First, we could think of the sentence "you are a completely stranger" as having a nuance of the person is a apparent, obvious stranger. The word for apparently in Japanese is 明らかに. This kanji of 赤 can also be pronounced as 赤 as in 明るい. So 赤 and 赤 have the same pronunciation. And over time, we may be substituted the kanji into that sentence. The other theory is the word may be come from Buddhist terminology. Water we offer to the Buddhist altar and graves is called aka in Buddhism. Aka is used to express the cold relationship with another person because it is cold enough to provide cold water. Actually, the kanji for this aka in Buddhism is not the same kanji as red, but it's the same pronunciation. 真っ赤な嘘. This aka is also coming from 明らかに apparently, and the kanji aka is pronounced as aka. So, it has this nuance that it's a complete obvious lie that would be apparent to any listener. 赤っ恥をかく. I saw aka red is used because you are embarrassed and your face went all red. But this aka is also coming from 明らかに apparently. If you are really embarrassed, it's apparent to other people. 赤子の手をひねる. Akago means newborn baby, and this aka red is actually derived from the red skin color. Since the newborn baby looks red. Okay, let's guess the next color. コンサート会場から色い歓声が聞こえる。I hear fans screaming from the concert venue. 日本経済はこれからゴン時代を迎える。The Japanese economy is about to enter a golden age. The answer is 黄色 yellow. There are several theories about the origin of this etymology. The first one is the theory that the color of the highest note in the sutra was yellow. Second one is, in the Edo period, it was popular to express the voices in color. The color yellow represents the voice used when something serious or important is going on. The third one is that yellow represents children. An excited and high-pitched voice is childlike and thus represented by yellow. 黄金時代 The term Golden Age comes from Greek mythology, particularly the works and days of Theseus, and is a part of the description that 5 ages of men. Gold begins the first, and the one during which the golden race of humanity lived. After the end of first age was the silver, then the bronze. After this, the heroic age was the fifth, and current age being iron. Okay, we already used aga, red, and kiro, yellow. Let's guess the next color. あの人の考え方は、臭い。That person's way of thinking is immature. 2歳が生意気言うな。Don't be sassy, you amateur looky blood. まだまだ尻がいな。You are still amateur, or you are still baby. そのニュースを聞いて顔がになった。When I hear the news, my face turned pale. あれはまさに天の霹靂だった。That was a bolt from the blue. The answer is 青 blue. 青臭い actually has 2 meanings. One meaning is it smells like green grass. Second meaning is the personality and behavior are immature and childish. In this case, we use 青臭い as second meaning. 青2歳 indicates a person who is inexperienced. If the word is used to someone, it is used with ridicule. If the word is used to yourself, you are being modest. Interestingly, in English, an experienced person often called green. 尻が青い is also indicates someone, either man or woman, is inexperienced and not fully fledged. You are not skilled. We use 青 blue because there is a blue blues on toddler's butt, sometimes called blue Mongolian spots. 真っ青になる means to turn pale. We use 青 blue to express the blood drain from the face. 晴天の霹靂 means sudden lightning strike from the clear blue sky, indicating that something unexpected happened all of a sudden, and an expression used to mean shocking event that suddenly occurs and surprises people. Okay, let's guess the next color. 彼女は実は腹い。She is bad person. She is wicked person. She is black-hearted person. ヨーロッパの中世紀は暗時代と言われている。The Middle Age of Europe is said to be the Dark Age. 幕は他にいるだろう。I think there is a mastermind behind this. The answer is 黒 black. 腹黒い indicates that a person is sly and nasty, or thinking to do something bad. It refers to a person who says good things and kind things in words, but actually thinks the opposite in his or her heart. I feel like this word may be used commonly for women because women are generally considered as kind and nice. I think kuro black is used for this word because it has a dark side. 暗黒時代 The Dark Ages is the term for the early Middle Ages or Middle Ages in the area of the Roman Empire in Europe after its fall in the 5th century, characterizing it as marked by economic, intellectual, and cultural decline. 黒幕 means person who does not appear on the surface but direct and manipulate from behind the scene or in the shadow. Okay, let's guess the next color. 世間からいい目で見られる。People looked coldly upon me. 頭がになった。My mind went blank. その話は詩に戻してください。Please forget it. Please forget the plan. Please forget what we've planned. Let's pretend that this never happened. 注文を見た。I had a daydream. The answer is 白 white. 白い目で見られる。This word is an idiom that means seen with a cold or hateful look. 頭が真っ白になる。This indicates you are in the state of being unable to think due to extreme tension or fear. Therefore, you are unable to make normal decision. Your mind went blank. 白紙に戻す。白紙 is a blank sheet of paper with nothing written. 白紙に戻す means discard what happened until then and return to the original state where nothing has had happened before. 白昼 is an experience of dreaming about fantasies and imagination as if they were happening in reality. Okay, let's guess the next color. 白の世界が広がっている。There is a world of white as far as the eye can see. The answer is 銀 silver. 白銀の世界 indicates there is a snow as far as the eyes can see. Everything is covered with snow. Snow is white and all these snows are shining by the sunlight. I think銀 is added to describe this shining. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!